Hi, I'm Tammy at Beanstack. Today we're talking about reading integrity and our unique approach to reading accountability that puts the focus on developing healthy reading habits and a love of reading. Let's jump right in. First, we'll navigate to Setup. This is where you can fine-tune your reading integrity settings. For log types, we highly recommend using minutes, which is an equitable metric that levels the playing field for all readers. Next, let's talk log type limits, which helps safeguard against fraudulent logging. Setting a warning level for a specified number of reading units displays a warning and an extra verification check to students who log more than your limit in a single session. Your per log limit completely restricts students from logging above the limit in a single session. And your per day limit restricts students from logging above the limit in a single day. Once you have your site limit set, this will prompt students to verify their reading is true and accurate if above the site warning limit, like this, or restrict them from logging if the log is above the site limit, like this. When a student does log above the warning limit, you can see those flagged by navigating to the Flagged Entries page on your quick links. These limits apply to all students in your building. But what about those super readers who you know will read more than these limits? No worries, you can always verify individual readers. Just head to their reader profile, click Actions, and Verify Reader. And now for one of my favorite features, the social tools. Using friends and leaderboards encourages students to hold one another accountable. The first three settings here are on by default, and we recommend leaving them on. Note that a student must accept a friend request before anything is visible to another student. While this is not on by default, we do recommend turning on student-teacher friends. Please note that depending on the settings above, this may mean that students can see teachers on their leaderboards or view their most recently logged books. And don't forget to scroll down to see our additional integrity settings and to save your settings. Thanks for tuning in today. If you want to level up your accountability game, check out the Learning Lab video for Book Talks with Benny, our AI-powered assistant. And remember, keep reading.